I'm Dean Bandhu. I'm the business head of a company called Methods Apparel Consultancy, which is from India. And our head office is in New Delhi. We already have presence in 22 different countries with 500 plus companies. We are basically into consultancy, training and software solution for garment industry. And majorly we are promoting in this exhibition our two products. One is the Pro SMB, which is for setting standards, standard minute value. And then we have another product called Pro X, which is basically a mobile application for real-time tracking right from fabric inspection up to packing. We are very late comer to this Bangladesh industry, but I believe there is a big prospect of our products in Bangladesh. The Bangladesh market is growing, and together we want to grow over here. We already have 3 customers in Bangladesh. We have sold our Pro X, which is a real-time tracking system, to a company called Eastport, which is in Kumilla. And then we have sold our product Pro SMB, which is for setting a standard, to Palmal Group of Industries as well as to Ananta Group. And we are expecting in near future, we are going to get many more customers from Bangladesh industry. So I wish every Bangladesh manufacturer best of luck. Let's grow together. Thank you.